Are you tired of the paperwork nightmare? Filing late or not at all? Worried you'll end up owing the government a small fortune? Or scared of being audited? How would you like to feel organized and empowered, ecstatic that you file on time always, are audit proof, peace of mind knowing your numbers are being handled correctly? Hi, I'm Randall Orser, owner of Number Crunchers. I started Number Crunchers to help you, the small business owner, with on-time bookkeeping services that won't get you audited. Your books are your financial compass and guide you in making financial decisions, such as ensuring you have the funds to pay the government. So let's talk about the big three deductions that many small businesses have issues with and get you into trouble during an audit. What are the three big small business deductions? Well, first is the home office, the most underused deduction. Next is automobile, which is the most disallowed deduction. And then there's meals, which are the most misused deduction. So let's start with the home office deduction. When can you deduct a home office? Well, it's your principal place of business where you see clients and suppliers, and it's used to earn business income regularly. What costs are part of the home office deduction? Well, there's hydroelectricity, gas or heating, insurance on your house, maintenance such as landscaping, replacing the roof and such, mortgage interest only, not the principal, your property taxes, city utilities, strata fees if you're in a condo, and your telephone, internet, cable if you're sharing these with the household. You cannot use the home deduction to create a bigger loss, and it must be carried forward to the next tax year. Many people can miscalculate the percentage for the home office deduction. There are three ways. You take the room's total square footage divided by the home's total square footage. You take the number of rooms used divided by the total rooms in the home, or you calculate how many hours you use the rooms divided by 24 hours times the square footage of the rooms used. So why is the home office deduction the most underused? People seem to fear this deduction. Why? Well, they fear CRA will audit them if they use it, and they don't keep their receipts. So let's talk about automobile. What conditions can you deduct your automobile? Well, first you have to keep track of your business kilometers and your total kilometers driven during the year. And of course, keep all your automobile receipts. Here are the automobile receipts you need to keep. Fuel or gas, repairs and maintenance, includes car washes, insurance, registration, parking, tolls, interest or leasing costs, and the associated paperwork. One other deduction you get is capital cost allowance. That's depreciation. So if you're incorporated, you're considered an employee. In such cases, you can reimburse yourself on a per kilometer basis rather than keep receipts. For 2016, it's 54 cents per kilometer on the first 5,000 kilometers in the year and 48 cents per kilometer after that. Of course, this does vary between province. So why is the automobile deduction the most disallowed deduction? Well, no mileage logbook was kept. That's instant disallow. Receipts are not kept, or bank and credit card statements are the only proof you have. And an unreasonable rate was used for reimbursement. So let's talk about meals and entertainment. They're the most contentious issue. Meals are restaurant or conference food purchases. Entertainment is movies, sporting events, cover charges, hospitality suites, gratuities, and more. So not all meals entertainment are a write-off. Your morning visit to Starbucks or Tim Hortons and golf green fees are two of the major ones. If you're incorporated, you're considered an employee, so you can claim a per diem per day for meals when you travel. For 2016, it's $17 per meal or $51 per day, and that's either Canadian or U.S. funds, so if you do travel to the States, you're covered. Of course, only 50% of meals entertainment is deductible, and that includes gift cards for restaurants because they are cash, as well as the GST, HST, which you add back to the expense. There are times when you can claim 100% of meals and entertainment. That's when you bill your client or customer for the meal and entertainment costs, and you show those costs on your billing. You incur meal and entertainment expenses for an office party or similar event, and you invite all your employees from a particular location. The limit is 6 such events per year. Your business, of course, regularly provides food and beverages or entertainment for customers for compensation, such as a restaurant, hotel, or motel. So why are meals entertainment the most misused? Well, people try to get away with just too much, writing off things like the Starbucks and the Tim Hortons when you're on your way to the office. They also claim too many meals or too expensive ones. For entertainment expenses, you actually partake and are not really for your clients. So you go to the hockey game and it's really you that's going, and you just invite the client because you think you're going to be able to write it off. There's the three big deductions many small businesses miss or lose altogether. So what if there was a way to never miss another deduction again, keep your paperwork organized, and entered in a timely manner? And you keep off the government's radar. Well, there is. It's called the Just Say Stuff It to Bookkeeping program. What is it? Well, it's a system where all you have to do is stuff an envelope with your receipts. We pick it up and enter your receipts. Just Say Stuff It to Bookkeeping was developed to help small businesses like yours to allow you to grow your business, have peace of mind, and of course no late penalties, and you can concentrate on more important things. How does it work? Take your receipts and stuff them into the envelope. It's picked up twice per month on a Tuesday. Your receipts are entered and government remittances are filed on time. Financial reports are produced. So, are you ready to just say stuff it to this bookkeeping thing? With Just Say Stuff It to Bookkeeping, the system has 3 levels to choose from. Just pick the one that suits you best. I invite you to apply for our Just Say Stuff to Bookkeeping system and see how much more money you can make when you get this horrible chore off your to-do list.